What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Tesla. And today I got a key that I gotta do. So I just picked it up out of the P.O. box. I was like exactly 1 minute late. And I was trying to be early. I was trying to be on time every day this week. My phone about to start tripping. Okay, so look. This is the key that the guy sent, right? Look what he did. He told me, he's like, I gave you a little something in there. I was like, oh, for real? He gave me a whole dub in that mug. So we gonna turn this key into this key. And he already paid for it. I think he sent me like $350. Another thing I want to talk about is the pay. The pay that I got for yesterday. So yesterday's pay was a little under what I wanted it to be, but it still ended up being good. It was like I got $744, and I was hoping it was gonna be more than that, but it's all good. Oh, I brought the wrong screwdriver. This one still worked though. Yeah, I brought the wrong. I meant to bring my little baby flathead. I brought the baby Phillips. Yeah, it's still working. In it already. That's crazy. I didn't even know how I was gonna get in it, and I got the gold already. This is what I wanted right here. Okay, we just got our first one right here. I just met my man Mike. He having trouble with his app. We gonna get him on board, y'all. I told him to join the group and post up his screenshot of it not letting him log on. He's doing like a red message. Told him to post it in the group, and then join the group, post it in the group, and we gonna all figure it out, because that's just what we do, man. We help each other out in that group. So definitely make sure you are joined to GOpUFF Nationwide Drivers and GOpUFF Drivers Break Room, and post any questions, any concerns that you got in the group, and somebody gonna help you. Somebody done been through it. And we 6 minutes away from doing the first drop off, and it's already 10:40, or no, 10:35. It'll be 10:41 when we get there. And like I said, man, everything going smooth. I got that key inside of the fob, nice and snug fit. I'm gonna do the wires when I get home. Okay, so just stopped by the Mexicano Restaurant. Got me a horchata. Woo! Alright, just picking up another one. Let's make this drop. Alright, cool. Just dropped that off. Then they popped some hours up right when I was walking off, and I grabbed a 4-hour shift at Georgia Tech, baby. Woo! And it don't start till like 6, so that might still give me time to go home, whip up the keys, do my wiring work, go to the post office, or go to the post office on this side, then make it to the other GOpUFF from 6 to 10. Little light shift. I could have got from 2 to 6 and then 6 to 10, but I was like, nah, that's why I like GOpUFF, because I be needing those hours in the middle of the day. Like, I be needing that, 5 o'clock hour and stuff like that to be able to make it to the post office. Okay, we just picked up a big 3. I'm talking about the big 3, like Paul Pierce, Ray Allen, KG. The big 3 like LeBron, Chris Bosh, and D Wade. The big 3 like Kobe, Shaq, and Steve Nash. Wait, they ain't have Steve Nash. They ain't have Steve Nash and Shaq at the same time. I meant to say like Kobe, Steve Nash, and Dwight Howard. All right, man. Okay, we just dropped off the first 2. Now we about to go drop off the last one, and it says 7:36. We grabbing some food after that. I always be telling people, if it's gonna take me, man, I'm telling you, this was literally 24 minutes away. If it's gonna take me the whole 24 minutes to get back, I ain't coming back. That's crazy. If my shift is over in 20 minutes and it take me 20 minutes to drive back, y'all just give me that little 20 minutes, because I'm not coming back. It don't make sense. So gas too high anyway. So they're not doing nothing about our gas. We need to be making all our money. So let's get ready to drop this last one off, and we'll be out of here. Tesla. Oh, now if you can, subscribe to the YouTube. Thank you for doing that. Click like on the video. Thumbs up the video, thumbs up the video, thumbs up the video. Thank you for doing that. And I'll see you guys in my Facebook groups, GOpUFF Nationwide Drivers and GOpUFF Drivers Break Room. Catch me over there. Tesla. Tesla. Tesla Roadster.